How to change YouTube short video thumbnail. You probably know that if you upload a short to YouTube from your computer, YouTube will select a random thumbnail by picking one image from your video. A thumbnail can look this awful. You can't change this thumbnail on your computer, and you can read the following notification. For now, you can't change the thumbnail on your short. Fortunately, you can change the thumbnail on your mobile phone, at least if it has the Android operating system. If you've shot a short video on your mobile phone, the video is naturally saved in your mobile phone's gallery. But if you have, for example, made a video with a video editor on your desktop computer, you will have to transfer this video to your mobile phone first. This can easily be done in several ways, for example, via USB cable, wirelessly using Bluetooth, or with Microsoft's OneDrive. You can first transfer the video from your desktop computer to OneDrive and then transfer the video to your mobile phone from OneDrive using the OneDrive app. OneDrive is free to use. From the OneDrive app, you can transfer the video to your mobile phone's gallery by selecting Download. Then log in to your YouTube account on your mobile phone. Do not use the YT Studio app, but go to youtube.com as normal and sign into your account. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Upload a Video. Select the video from your mobile phone's gallery and click the Next button on the screen. The button appears twice. At the top of the screen you will see the thumbnail of your video at that moment. Click on the pencil icon in the top left of the thumbnail image. This will bring up a screen with a timeline of your video at the bottom, from which you can tap to select the thumbnail of your video. Once you have found the right one, click Done. Then click Upload Short. Wait until the video has uploaded. Please note that the video is private. At this point I recommend that you continue editing the video information such as title, description, tags etc. on your desktop computer, as it is much easier that way. You can then publish the video if you wish, and YouTube will display the thumbnail you selected in its search results and feeds. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.